Hi, if you're someone who is building internet business and they want to focus on SEO, and if you are someone who has built your Next.js application and looking to implement something called programmatic SEO, then this video is for you. So in this video, I will talk about what is programmatic SEO, and then I will show you one example of a website, how you can achieve programmatic SEO and how it works. So before going to programmatic SEO, let me show you one thing, and that is what exactly is programmatic SEO. So this is the guide which you need to understand. So programmatic SEO is nothing but you create a template. That template can be a JSON, it can be a JSON, readme, or maybe array or key value pairs. It can be anything. So the best way is to create a JSON file which you can iterate for each block. So whatever block you have, for example, this is your blog, and maybe blog 1 2. So this is your blog 1 2. So for this you will create a JSON called blog 1 2.json, or if you are creating a readme, like not readme, it should be Markdown actually. So if you are creating Markdown, it should be blog12.md array. It can be integrated into one file. So this is what we call programmatic SEO, because in programmatic SEO we create one template which can be used into different blog pages, so you don't have to rewrite the UI again and again. You just get the data from your database or from anything like this one. So for our application we are using JSON, because whenever you are deploying your Next.js application or React application, if you write programmatic SEO in type of JSON or Markdown, what happens is that you don't have to call your backend or your API. You can just do npm run build and your static pages will be built. So your each blog page will have its own HTML and CSS. So this is programmatic SEO, and after that you have to understand about two things, and that is breadcrumbs and internal linking, which I'm going to show you the live demo from one of the website from which I've taken inspiration, and they are already making good business, making good MRR. So I thought I should share this with you. So this is the website Shipper.no. If you go to Shipper and if you just see their website, they have created a lovable and bold.new alternative, which you can see here, and you can see what preview, what code. It is nothing, it is very simple, even you can make it. But what they have done differently from you, and that is they have done the good play, and that is SEO. So if we will just go to their SEO strategy, so you can see the price is almost similar and also nothing much, and you can see feature what they are offering, what others are not offering. And this is how you build a landing page. Once they build the landing page, you can go to their footer, and you can see Shipper versus Cursor, lovable, repellent, bolt, and they've given a proper comparison page as well. So now if you go to the blog, which we are here for programmatic SEO, so let's get into it. So it's taking a bit long. So you can see they have created simple guide how to cancel bold subscription, how to cancel repellent subscription, how to cancel VZO subscription, how to cancel Lovable subscription. Even Lovable has their own guide, but they have created this because whenever people go in the internet, they don't look inside the application, they just search in Google directly or maybe in ChatGPT directly how to cancel Lovable subscription. And if their page ranks, they get the benefit of domain ranking, domain authority, people discovering their application. So if you go to how to cancel Lovable subscription, which is not a great deal, but again they have mastered the SEO and you should properly take inspiration from them. So again, you can go here and you can just read cancel Lovable plan can be trickier than it should be. Then they have given an interlink link. So if I press this one, you can go say in the bottom left, and that is Lovable pricing, and they have linked their own internal article. So this is called something called internal linking, and it is very important for bots for SEO ranking. So for example, Google crawler is there and they are reading this page how to cancel Lovable subscription. They also see what is level pricing. So now they will read this and they will index this page also. So this is called internal linking, which is better for SEO, for Google crawler, as well as for human SEO. So they can just see and they can just read about this level pricing and all and everything. Like this is a proper guide and it is a detailed guide which you can see. Again, they have given, again you can see what is shipper, again an internal link, again what is level review, internal link. So you can see in this particular article till now you have got 4 like links, then 5, then 6, and then 7, and this is how they have mastered the game of what we call internal linking, how to export port for level, how to remove level badge and all. And this is really cool SEO strategy. And if you follow this author, like this particular person, you can follow him and you can follow him in Twitter to understand his strategy and all. He has shared what he has done. So if you go to his social media and you will understand what he is doing. Now we have understood what is internal linking. We have understood how to do programmatic SEO. So you can see every page follows a same template. So how to cancel this one, and you can see a header, author name, and image, and again summarize this article with Grok, Perplexity, Gemini, Claude, and all, and then cancel video subscription supposed to be simple, although several users conversibility. And also you can see in left you can see proper sections. You can click in any section and it will auto scroll to that position, and again interlinking is there, and you can see this one. This is how you build the template, and in the right you can see want to get updates. You can put your email ID and it will keep you updated. So this is programmatic SEO part 1, and this is how it done. And you can follow David, like I will also follow him, and he has shared one playbook which you can see. So this is the playbook which you can actually see. He has launched in 72 days ago. He had already made MRR 1175, which is actually great. This many from Reddit views, this many total paid users, and you can see what he has done. So just follow him. Like he is all bullish on Reddit and SEO strategy, which you should also be bullish on. And yeah, this is it. This is what I wanted to cover. Tomorrow I will talk about how to port this one, how to structure into your Next.js project, and I will see you for tomorrow. Till then, take care and bye.